I mean, I guess another question is a little bit more about how did you even start? I mean, you said you started off as a kid. I mean, were your parents involved in coding and development? Were they
Yeah.
entrepreneurs? I mean, how did you actually dive into this space?
Definitely, my mom was entrepreneurial. She just passed away a couple of months ago, just prior to her launch of the company product. But I would say she was definitely very entrepreneurial. She was after my dad from the get-go to apply to whatever programs he had to get to the U.S. I immigrated when I was 4 or 5 years old with my mom, and my dad had come in just a month before that. But I definitely think that she had a great eye for design. She decorated our house, very well, and I always learned about taste and making sure that things look good. Things, you do things with passion, and you do things with an immense attention to detail. So I do owe her that. My dad's side, he is an engineer. He is a software developer. Today he does more architecture and project management stuff. But the combined, it was very interesting. We were moving around every 6 months, because of my dad's job and the fact that he had a green card, and then eventually we got our U.S. citizenship. But the point of the matter is, we were almost nomads, and we kind of had to figure things out. We were the typical immigrant family, and trying to figure things out and make it in the U.S. For me, I kind of took that mentality and I tried to make it in New York. And everything I've done, building products, raising capital, all of that has been basically, you can't go back. You can only move forward, and the hustle and the grind is real when you're building something with very little capital, in some cases no capital. You
Mhm.
have to negotiate. You gotta make people believe to do things for you for free or deferred costs. It definitely takes a lot.